my screen. Can you all see my screen?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, this is the topic that we're going to cover for today, which is decimals and money. That means how we are going to read the money in decimal form and then how to do the estimation of decimals. We are going to learn the two different things today. Okay, for the first thing is the money as decimals. Understand? Okay, 10 cents. Correct? How to write in decimals? Who can tell to teacher? Hello?
10
10
C.
cent. No, how to write in decimal? 0.10. Am I right?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, same goes to 20 cent also. How
0.
we are going to? Very good. 0.20. Same goes to 50 cent also. 0.50. Okay, when it comes for the dollar, okay, when it comes for the dollar, usually for $1 we will read like 1.00. Correct or not? Correct or not? I think I'm not talking to my wall or my screen alone. Yeah. So $2 also same. It should be 2.00. So when we are adding every day like $1 plus with the 50 cent and then again with the 10 cent, how to write in the decimal form here? That means $1 is 1.00, 50 cent is 0.50, 10 cent is 0.10. So what is the total? 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0, and then 0 plus 5 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, and then 1 plus 0 is equals to 1. So $1.60. Understand or not? Who still don't understand how to write the money in decimals? Who still don't understand? Who still don't understand how to write the money in decimal? Everybody can understand or not?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, wait. Hemar has new ID. I have to add her. Hemar got new idea.
Yes, teacher. Hema have new ID. I add in first. Wait, teacher.
I already added her.
Okay, I call her.
Hey, already called her, right?
Teacher, I go out for a while. I tell Hema. Good morning, teacher.
Yeah, Hemar, why no answer from you? The new ID I already added you just now. It's showing like unavailable, not online. Or line problem.
Teacher, Hema just now is online.
Channel. Wait, I'm talking.
Teacher.
Wait, channel, I'm talking to Hemar for a while. Wait for a while. Yes, Hemar, I can listen you now. Yes.
Just now I was away.
Huh?
Just now I was away.
Yeah, teacher already put your new ID. This is your new ID, right? But just now I called you, but still not answering. Maybe line problem or just woke up or not realize.
No, I was away from the computer.
Oh, no problem, Hema. Teacher just started. I was talking to your friends.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Hema. Wait, Okay. So, I was explaining just now. Yes, we have learned about the decimal topic. Why everybody is showing reaction like watching something in front of your screen? See, Hemar pula. Channel, just now you wanted to say something to teacher. I have stopped you. So, can you please tell me what is the problem? I want to listen to you. Hey, don't want you to talk. You still want to talk. The time I want you to talk, you don't want to talk. Okay, so just now I was sharing the screen, Hemar. The topic is about decimals. Okay. The topic is about decimals. So this is how we going to read the money as decimal. $1 we will read 1.00, and then 50 cents 0.50, 10 cent is 0.10. So is in money, we are reading the money in decimals. It's the same actually, 1.00. How to write the money in decimal? Okay, so usually for 50 cent in verbal, okay, we just say 50 cent. But when we are writing in the decimal point, usually we will write 0.50, right? Correct or not? Not only Hemar, I'm telling to everybody. Correct or not?
Correct.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to move to another slide. Okay, same goes to here. $2 is 2.00. $1 is 1.00. Correct or not? When we are talking about the 20 cent is 0.20. Correct? 3.20 when we are adding everything. Oh, my Queen's line is he's restarting the computer. Okay, leave it. It's okay. Okay, even though it's a money form, but we are still learning in decimals. Understand or not? Hema, you can see my screen or not?
Yes, teacher.
So sleepy. Okay, I give you one example. Okay, an item costs $15.60 and you pay $20. Okay, you pay $20. How much change do you get? This is the same as the $20 you minus with the $15.60. Understand or not? Understand or not?
And
Okay, good. So $20 minus $15.60. How to minus? You have to write the $20 in decimal form. Can you see how teacher wrote here? 20.00 minus with the 15 cent $60. $15.60. How to minus? Who can tell to teacher how to minus the $20 minus with the $15.60? How? It's a normal minus, right? Is the normal minus, right? Yeah, 0 minus 0 is nothing. So if 0 again minus 6 we also cannot. So we need to borrow from the 0. Since the 0 borrow again from here is the normal one. 10 minus 6 is equals to 4, and then 9 minus 5 is equals to 4 again. So 1 minus 1, 0. So the balance is how many, class?
40.
400. $4.40. Understand? $4.40. Done? Any question? How to regarding how to read the money in decimal form? Are you all listening to me? Are you all listening to me? It's okay.
Sure.
I'll show the worksheet. Yes.
We say 4.40 or 4.40.
Usually for decimal we cannot say 40. We will say 40. Understand?
So, oh,
4
understand.
point. Okay, yeah, I know. If in decimal, you can read 4.40. If for money, you can say $4.40. You cannot say 40 cent. Correct or not? In decimal, if you want to read, you can say 4.40. We cannot say 40. But for money, when you want to read the money, $4.40. Correct? Understand or not?
Understand.
Yes, very good. Okay, now we are moving to the topic estimating decimal. Okay, how to estimate the decimal? I'll show you one by one. Okay, for example here, 52 multiply 8.9. Okay, 8.9. Oh yeah, Hema, just now I have informed that you are not in my class. It's okay. I think teacher Jasmine, if contacted you means you can tell teacher that maybe your line is breaking or what. Don't tell you sleep lah. Then mommy or teacher will scold you. Understand? Teacher only just started the class, no problem. Okay. What happened to you, Hema? Are you okay? Why suddenly you changed the new ID? Hey, her line is breaking. Okay, it's okay. We just continue. Okay, class. Hema, can you hear me, Hema?
Yes, teacher.
Why you change your new ID? Your old ID is not using?
No, I additionally log out.
Or you accidentally log out from your old account, so you don't remember the password?
Yes.
Oh, it's okay. No problem. It's okay. Teacher already added you here. Okay, so estimating decimals. I show you the example, can? Can or not? For example, number 1, 52. Please focus. When the time I showed you the worksheets, nobody can answer the worksheets because you are not focusing the slide. Please focus the slide. It will be easier for you all to do the worksheets later on. Now, estimate. I give you only one example. So I'm going to show how teacher estimate these decimals. Okay, 52 multiply with 8.9. Okay, which number is the decimal number? Can you all please let me know which one is the decimal number?
8.9.
8.9. Very good. 8.9 is the decimal number. So we are only estimating the decimal number because the 52 is not the decimal number. Is it 52 is the decimal number?
No.
No. Okay, step 1. How to go step by step? Okay, estimate by rounding each number to the greatest place that has non-zero digit. Maybe you don't understand here. I will show you the method here. Okay, this is a single number 52, correct? We don't have to round off this 52. Okay, we move to the 8.9. 52, listen, class, everybody listen, I'm showing the step by step. Okay, again, estimating decimals, we are going to estimate the 52 and also 8.9. Even though 52 is the normal number, we still need to estimate, and same goes to 8.9 is the decimal number, we still need to estimate. Okay, how to estimate one by one? Okay, for 52, okay, for 52 we have to see the number after 5. Okay, we have to see the number after 5. Do we need to add 1 to the 5?
No.
No. So we don't need to add 1 for the 5. So the answer should be
50.
50 if we are estimate the 52. Correct? Okay, we move to the 8.9 now. Okay, we move to the 8.9. Okay, 8.9, when we are rounding off, again 9 is more than 5. Do we need to add 1 to the 8?
Yes.
Very good. Can you all see? Can you all see how teacher estimate first?
Yes.
Before I find the answer for 52 multiply 8.9. If the question asks you all to estimate the decimals, make sure you estimate the numbers first. Like 52, when you are rounding off, okay, you have to estimate first, it becomes 50. And then 8.9, when you are estimating to the nearest number, okay, it should be 8. Okay, it should be, sorry, 8.9, we move to the 9 because it's the nearest number. What is your answer after multiply the 50 times 9? Fifty times 9 is equals to 50 times 9 is equals to
450. 450.
450. Very good. Only Hemar is responding to me. Yeah? The time when I show the worksheets, if nobody don't know how to do, don't ask teacher how to do because you are not focusing here. Please focus here.
Teacher, I can't hear you.
Teacher, screen is frozen.
I think teacher is lagging or line broken.
Teacher! Teacher, can you hear? Teacher, can you hear? Your screen is frozen and we cannot hear any